Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix failed login issues with Google. So if you're having trouble logging into Fitly using your Google account, it's usually due to account sync issues, cookies, or permissions problems. So actually guys, first you will need to check your Google account first. So make sure you're signed into the correct Google account. Your account isn't restricted or logged out. So try logging into the Google account. Okay, so if that fails, fix Google login first. Okay, so all you need to do is to go with login or sign in. Then just go with Google, the first option. And after that, just choose the Google account that you used and sign up, okay? And make sure it's the actual one. So, as I told you, if that fails, you will need to fix the Google login first. And how so? You will need to use the same login method. So, if you're signed up with Continue with Google, you must use it again. And don't try the email plus the password. Okay, so go with sign in with Google. Okay, and actually guys, you will need to clear the browser cache if that's not the issue. So just go ahead with the three dots that's located at the top right corner of the browser, and then just scroll and navigate to the settings, the second last option, tap it with the gear icon, and then go with privacy and security on the left hand menu. It's the third option. Now go scroll to the privacy and security section, go with delete browsing data, the first option right there, and go with delete data. Okay, so that's up to you if you want to clear data of the last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days. Even you can go with all time right here. Okay, so I do really advise you just to go with last 7 days at least, or 24 hours, then confirm with that blue button. Also, I do really advise you disable the extensions. So you will need to disable the ad blocker, the privacy extensions, etc. So these can block the Google authentication. So to do that, you will need to go with the extensions option on the left hand menu at the second last one, and right here just go with remove, or you can go and disable them just right here instead. Okay, so actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.